Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are watching for the first time, my name is Michelle Nguyen and I am the director of Lash Academy. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet to kind of learn all things lashing, hit the subscribe button right here so then you get an alert every time we release a new video. Today, we are going to show you a tutorial step-by-step on how to do brow lamination using our brand new brow lamination kit. So if you bought this from our website, it literally has everything that you would need to do brow laminations. It's a new service that we just added onto our salon. We usually charge right around like $80 to $90 to do the brow laminations. I at first was a little bit skeptical because I just do mostly lashes. Then I added lash lift and then brow laminations. I was just like, oh, I don't know about that one because I usually just don't touch brows. I barely wax eyebrows editors, but we added them onto the menu and it seems to be a really great hit. It is so easy to do, but there's not a lot of tutorial out there to show you how to do it. So check this video out and I hope that you find all the tips and tricks that help you execute a beautiful, flawless brow laminations. And I'm just gonna show you what's inside our kit really quick. So you get the 10-pack shot. This should be enough for you to do 20 clients. Then we have actually directions on how to use on there. So I keep this one always in my box as like a cheat sheet. If I, ever go, ooh, how long? Then I just look at my cheat sheet. You have your spoolies. You also have your adhesive to like help keeping the brows in place for you to laminate. And then you have your cling wrap. And also the white comb brush. So that's all you actually really need to do brow lamination. It's pretty inexpensive kit and it could make you quite a bit of money. Check the video out. If you have any questions, let us know. I hope you enjoyed this video coming.
How to do a brow lamination service step by step. All products used in this video are available on our website. Before starting a brow lamination process, you will need to clean the client's eyebrows with a sterile cleanser. You can use a clean lip applicator or a cotton brown for this. While you're cleaning, or once the eyebrows are clean, take some time to assess your client's brow hair and decide how long they need for the lift and the setting steps. The times will be between 5 to 8 minutes depending on the hair. Fine hair, 5 minutes, medium, 6 minutes, thick, 7 minutes, very thick, 8 minutes. If the hair is thick or stubborn, use a disposable wand and apply a thin layer of the PLA lash and brow adhesive. Then, immediately use a mascara wand to quickly comb and direct the brow hair in place. For our model, the PLA consultant chose the processing time of 6 minutes without the use of any adhesive. Now, you are ready to start the lamination process. Step 1. Lifting the brow hair. Grab the PLA Perm Lotion, or the number 1, dispense half of the lotion onto the tint dish. Save the other half for your next appointment. All of the lotions, once open, are good for 24 hours. Use a lip applicator and start applying the perm lotion to the brow from the inner corner out. Repeat the same motion on the other brow. Cover the brows with a beauty cling wrap and start the timer. You may brush the brows in the middle of the process, like so. This is to ensure the shape and direction of the hair. Once the time is up, remove the cling wrap and start removing the lift lotion from the first brow immediately. Use a wet cotton round to wipe off the lotion to prevent over-processing. Make sure you're wiping in the same direction as the hair. Repeat on the other brow. Step 2. Setting the brows. Grab the PLA Fix Lotion or the number 2, dispense half of the Fix Lotion onto the tint dish and save the rest for your next appointment. Using a new lip applicator, start applying the lotion to the entire brow. From the inner corner to the tail, like before. This is a very important step. This is where you would shape the desired look of your client's brows. You can use either the mascara wand or a wide comb to brush the hair. Cover the brows with beauty cling wrap and start the timer. Once the timer is up, remove the cling wrap and start removing the fixed lotion from the first brow immediately. Use a new cotton round to wipe off the lotion to prevent over-processing. Make sure you're wiping the same direction as the hair. Repeat on the other brow. Step 3. Nourish the hair. Check to see if there's any hair that needed to be gone or plucked. Now is the time to do so. When everything looks good, grab the number 3 PLA Nourish Lotion and dispense half on the tint dish. Use the same method as the previous steps to apply the lotion. No timer needed. You may use a new mascara wand to comb through the Nourish at this time as well. Clean up around the brows and you are done.
How awesome was that video? I hope that you learned something really new. I hope you learned some cool tips, tricks, and I hope that you would add brow laminations on your video. I'm actually getting my brow laminations today for my wedding, not my wedding, someone else's wedding tomorrow. I'm super excited about it. So if you have any questions, let us know. I think the kit is on our website on our new arrival, and check it out. We'll see you around. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.